Spinal bifida is the most common neural tuber defect in the United States. It's when the spine and the spinal cord don't form properly. It occurs in 3.4 out of every 10,000 babies born in the U.S. and is the most common permanently disabling birth defect for which there is no known cure. It's common for children with spinal bifida to have abnormal function of their bladder, bowel, and legs. Pioneered by a team at Texas Children's in 2014, led by Dr. Michael Belford, obstetrician-in-chief at Texas Children's Pavilion for Women and the chairman of the Department of Obstetric and Gynecology at Baylor College of Medicine, the world's first fetoscopic technique allows surgeons to access the fetal spine in a minimally invasive way to repair a neural tube defect. The world's first fetoscopic technique allows surgeons to access the fetal spine in a minimally invasive way to repair neural tube defects.
We devised a technique where we do not have to make this big incision on the uterus. Instead, we make two very small openings. We put ports inside the uterus, and then we operate on through fetoscopes.
Belford and his team have shown performing the surgery fetoscopically yields the same outcome for the baby as the open repair, while being significantly less invasive for the mother.
Because we believe that the less number of openings you make in the uterus, the less chance you will have of preterm labor, of leakage of fluid, of complications. In utero surgery has two main effects. It reduces the number that need the shunt, and it increases the number that can walk alone, unaided.
Dr. Belford and his team have performed over 100 fetoscopic surgeries. They also have proctored and mentored many international fetoscopic teams and performed their fetoscopic technique in a number of countries.
This technique has showed us now is that the uterus, inside the uterus, and the fetus inside the uterus are basically a new surgical area, an area that up until now we really didn't have contact with, and now we can start expanding the different procedures.
Reporting from Houston, NCD News.